Here we go. So some parents telling me that they can't have access to the videos I record via my laptop. So I'm going to do it here on my phone. Hopefully this is able to be seen. So algunos padres me dijeron que no se pueden mirar los videos que yo grabé usando mi computadora, so lo voy a hacer aquí en mi teléfono. So tomorrow they'll have their first practice assessment with me for math, ELA, and then 2 math lessons. Okay, so we want to practice rounding to the nearest 10. Our scholars are comfortable creating their own number line. So I noticed that like the first digit is 1, so that means it's the value of 10. And then you think, okay, what's 10 more? Well, 10 more would be 20. Now is 15 closer to 10 or 20? They should have been taught when it's a digit in the ones place. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round up. So that means 15 will round to 20. And they can do the same for those 2 digits. Here it's asking what time is shown on the clock. So we have our hour hand. So we write for the digit for the hour hand, and then we have our minute hand. We write the digits for the minute hand. They are most comfortable solving vertically, so they can do that. Just make sure that they are lining them up appropriately. Many scholars are still practicing to regroup. That means like if this answer is bigger, it goes over, or even borrowing. So most common mistake is that they'll write this, but then forget that they borrowed from the previous place value. So make sure that it changes. There you go. Right, so that the math is accurate. For word problems, we circle numbers, find keywords. Then it says write a number sentence and solve. So a number sentence is an equation. So like that, right? Finding the missing numbers, finding the pattern. So I figure out, okay, how many from here to there? Well, that's +2. And from here to there, it's another +2. So the pattern is +2. So then they write the digits for each one. Reading a graph. Each one's correlate to their lines, right? So then they identify which ones have the most. Color all the triangles, self-explanatory. This one's rounding to the nearest hundreds. So again, I look at that first digit, I write 2. What's 100 more? 3. And then this tells me if I'm moving. So again, if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. So then that would be close. And for here, go vertically. And then add accordingly. Ok, en español van a tener su primer assessment práctica conmigo. So, para rounding, ellos les gustan crear un number line. So, el primer dígito es 1. So, eso me dice, ok, hay 10. ¿Cuál es 10 más? 20. Si el último dígito al lado tiene 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tienen que ir al próximo 10, so es ser más cerca al 10, so más cerca a este 10 es 20. Leyendo el reloj, tenemos la hora, el dígito de la hora y el dígito de los minutos. Sumando y restando, que lo escriben no así, pero vertically, so uno encima del otro. Muchos alumnos se recuerdan cambiar este dígito para completarlo, pero se olvidan que lo sacaron del dígito principio, right? So, muchas veces su error es estrategia y entonces la respuesta a veces, no todas veces, pero se saquen mal, so vigílalo así. Problemas verbales. Circulimos los números, buscamos palabras clave. Esto indica que vamos a sumar. crear un number sentence, eso es una ecuación y ellos mismos lo tienen que escribir. El pattern, ok, ¿cuáles son los próximos 3 números? Bueno, entendí que cada número es 2 más, o siguiendo el pattern. Usando el graph, entendimos que cada línea indica su número de personas que le gustan esos animales, o cuál es el más. Esta vez rounding es a 100, so otra vez, miramos el primer dígito, so veo 2, so 200, 100 más es 300. El 1 me muestra que no voy a subir, so me queda solo más el 200. And there's that. And that was just for the morning work for math. Oh boy, here we go.